Alright, so now we're looking at number 28, and 28 is CuCl2 plus NaOH. Alright, if I draw out the compounds here, we've got Cu with 2 Cl's and we've got NaOH. And over here we're just going to take 1 copper, 1 chlorine, 1 sodium, 1 hydroxide. Now the charges on these, we know that's negative, we know, whoops, we know that's negative. It's a total of negative 2, that makes that positive 2. And over here we've got negative 1 and positive 1. So we get this charge off the polyatomic ion sheet, so that'd be OH1 negative, and that's going to be 1 positive. Alright, so putting this together, we'll have Cu2 plus and OH. It's going to go like this. Cu will join with the OH, and the Na will join the Cl, and and OH negative, and Na plus, and Cl negative over here. Remember, just one of each over to this side. I know there's 2 chlorines here. We'll balance those up later, but for now we just need 1 Cl over here and make it Cl negative so we can figure out how it combines with the Na plus. Alright, so we've got that with the charges now. Now we can go ahead and figure out how this all goes together. So it'll be CuCl2 plus NaOH gives Cu, and this is Cu2 plus an OH minus. I'm going to need 2 of those to balance out the copper, and we'll need 1 of each of these to balance out, so it'll be just NaCl. If we look at the solubility chart, we'll see that this is a solid, the other ones are all going to be aqueous. We balance this up, we've got 1 copper, 1 copper, we've got 2 Cl's here and only 1 here, so I put a 2 in front of here, that one's balanced. Now we've got 2 NAs, we need 2 NAs over here, that makes us 2 NAs, and then 2 OHs, and that balances here as well. So everything's okay with that. So that's part A. Part B, we're going to figure out the full ionic equation. So we'll draw pictures of these. That's 1 Cu and 2 Cl's. We've got NaOH and NaOH here. The charges we can grab back from up here. And now we can go ahead and put those on. So it'd be 2 plus, 1 minus on the Cl's. Na plus, OH negative, OH negative. The CuOH2 is a solid and it won't split into ions. And then we've got the NaCl, and again the charges we can get from up here. And now we can go ahead and figure out how many of each we've got. We've got 1 copper 2 plus, and now we've got 2 Cl minuses here. I see 2 Na pluses, and I see 2 OH minuses. This doesn't split into ions. And now we've got 2 Na pluses here and 2 Cl minuses over here. Alright, so now this is for part B. That would be the full ionic equation. Let's look at part C now. Now part C is the net ionic equation, where we figure out what's going to be the reaction to form the solid, and we're going to get rid of anything that's exactly the same on both sides. So we've got 2 Cl minuses, that'll cancel, 2 Na pluses, that'll cancel, and all we're left with is Cu2 plus 2 OH minus gives CuOH2 solid. So what we're left with the net ionic equation here is just a reaction that forms a solid. And And that's it for number 28.